In this video, we will talk about how to check the version and correction report on the ECDIS. Chart correction reports and version checking on the ECDIS. For ECDIS model is maker JRC model 9201, and second officer, please, one by one. Same as for the state control. You want to check what is the version of the ECDIS and what is the correction history.
I will explain is version and how to chart is right click. There's any chart place you can
any place on the chart, you do the right click.
This comment is this casa picket. Go to this.
Okay, this coming.
Chart legend. This is PA version. Later is 4.0.
This is a very interesting question for tested
PSC. Yes.
What is the version of this chart? It's 4.0.
This correction, later correction is
going to chart updates.
I will put is 25 May 2026.
Okay. So simply click on the any part of the ECDIS, right click, then we'll go to this menu. We have two options: chart legend showing you the version, and the update log showing that it is corrected till which date.
Yes, sir.
Very simple.
Very simple.
Thank you.